Okay, time for the Seafoam treatment on the Impala. Step 1, warm engine, done. Step 2, remove boot at throttle body. Right there. Alright, now this comes with a convenient straw and a little plastic hook so you don't smash the straw in the boot. This plastic hook, straw runs through it. When you set this up, you want to make sure the get in there. Let's take this off all the way. This here. Remove the other end. So when you do this, you have to make sure this is going in where the flap opens. You don't want it on the sides where it's going to just get caught up in there. It's supposed to enter as a mist. You don't want it going as a solid liquid. Liquids don't do so well. You can't compress liquids. So run the straw inside the piece here. As so. Really press it in there. Locks in place like that. Put this back together. This has to run inside here. Boot back on over the top. Probably have to loosen the screw a little bit more. So you're putting a lot more back in there than you took out. Make room for that to go through. Alright, there we go. Now that's in, secured. Hook it up to the can. Let's reinstall the oil pump here. Cap. Alright, go ahead and start it up. Right, with the engine running at about 2,000 RPMs, you have to hold the spray continuously until it's empty. I go right up to about 2,000, hold the spray in like 1,500 and 2,000, close to 2,000 if you can. The really fun thing is my exhaust manifold's right here. So it's a little warm. No biggie. Mechanic controlling. And keep your hands off there, top. Top. Hey, you just hit me in the head with a snowball. That smoke thing come out? Oh yeah. That's the fun part. Lots of smoke. That's how you know it's working. Alright, go shut it off. Alright. Now, can's empty. It says to let it do a hot soak for 10 minutes. And then, after that, start and drive the vehicle under engine load for 10 minutes or longer. Applied spirit acceleration when safe to burn off hydrocarbon residues. So I get to put this stuff in my car and then go beat on it. That sounds like a good time. So 10 minutes from now, I will be back. Right? Spent about 10 minutes. Time for my favorite part. Driving. No check engine light yet. There will be. But that's for another video. Just typical issues when you put a torch on a sensor. Alright, now you might notice there's a lot of smoke going up the back. That's why I really like this part, because it makes your car smoke like a mother. So there's something wrong with it. Uh-oh. Just stalling out a little bit there, that's not good. Must have a lot of hydrocarbons soaked up in there. Smoking like unbelievable. People are gonna think my car's broken. I mean, it was already pretty smooth. I know it feels better driving it, that's for sure. It feels a little peppier. $14 years and 270,000 miles of carbon buildup in the upper end though, so I do help something. Definitely didn't hurt anything. Temperature's good. No lights on that shouldn't be. That's traction control. Tire pressure, nobody cares. And passenger seat present sensor. Wow, big surprise. Nobody's ever seen that problem in one of these cars. Thank you, Chevy.